Oh, what is up, pre-calculus students? More on the unit circle. We're talking unit circle today. Right. So, we're going to get on the correct layer here. Right off the bat, I'm having issues. This is the unit circle, and the unit circle is going to have two layers. It's going to have the inside part of the circle where you're converting degrees into radians. And we're going to go all the way around this circle here in a minute. And then tomorrow, we're going to talk about what the coordinates of these points are. These points. So that's where, when you look at the unit circle, you get this radical 2 over 2 and radical 3 over 2 stuff. So right now, we're going to go around starting with 0, and we're just going to work our way around the circle. We're all going to do the first quadrant together, and then I'm going to pause the video, and you guys are going to finish this here in class or for whatever kind of assignment that you're watching this. So if you're absent, you can pause it and try it yourself. All right, so for this part right here, if the circle isn't moving, or if your angle isn't moving around, we either call this 0, or if it does a full lap, it's 2 pi radians. I can remember. Everything I put up here in blue will be in radians. So what we need to do now is I'm going to do basically each of the ends of these. So if this is 2 pi, and I spin 360 degrees around, and that's 2 pi radians, then 1/2 of a turn would be pi. And 90 degrees, anybody? Pi over 2 would be equal to 90. I can actually put that right there. And then if I go down to 270 degrees, well, that is either, if you're figuring it out, that's either this is 1/2 plus a half is 1 plus another half is 1.5, and we call that 3 pi over 2. And if you're like, how did he get that? Basically, just take 270 degrees, which is what this is right here, and put it over 1, and multiply it by pi over 180, just like we did the other day. This will reduce by 90. So 90 goes into each one of these. 90 goes into 270 3 times, and into 180 2 times. So this final answer, 3 pi over 2. Now, what I want to do with you here next is to do these three. Okay, so a 30. Do it right here. 30 degrees over 1. Just converting 30 degrees into radians. Again, every time you do that, that's going to be pi over 180. That will cancel. 30 goes into each of these. That's the common factor. 30 goes into 30 once, into 180 6 times. So that's pi over 6. Pi over 6. 45. Set that up. We'll do this one as well, and then I'll let you guys do the rest. Pi over 180. 45 and 180. 45 does go into 180. It's a very handy number to work with. 45 goes into itself one time. 45 goes into 180. Anybody? 4 times. Excellent. Which is pi over 4. Now, I'm going to hit the pause button, and I want you guys to finish this. So you go ahead and hit the pause button now. Welcome back. I hope you did hit the pause button and finish this. And if you did, here's what the answers look like. I'm going to fade this out. And I'm going to fade that one out. Turn this one back on. Your answers should look like this. Pi over 6, pi over 4, pi over 3, pi over 2. 2 pi over 3, 3 pi over 4, 5 pi over 6. I'm not going to read the rest of these. You can read it yourself. There is a definite pattern about this, and I would like you to try to discover this pattern on your own. Another video, the next video I make will be involving this pattern and how to do this without doing much math, as provided you know that this is pi over 6. All right, thanks, and I will see you tomorrow.